This is the brand new Nothing Phone 4. If you are looking for a unique smartphone in 2026, this might be the one. Nothing is famous for its transparent design. These lights blink for notifications, timers, and battery percentage. The Phone 4 features an upgraded Glyph interface. It has a super smooth 120 Hz OLED display. Scrolling feels amazing. Inside, it has a powerful processor, so gaming and daily tasks are butter smooth. The dual 50-megapixel cameras take very clean and colorful photos. Plus, the battery easily lasts a full day, and it supports fast charging. For $599, this phone gives you great value and a unique look. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tech content. See ya!